Today we are going to see block 3 HCF and LCM. This is the block name. Okay. So now we will see lesson number 3. What is the name of the lesson? LCM and factor tree method. Okay. So now let us see how we are going to find the LCM. For finding the LCM, here we are going to use two models. So first we will see what is the name of the first model. The method of listing the multiples of two numbers to find their LCM is called the listing method. We are finding the multiples of the given number, isn't it? So that is known as listing method. Next, model number 2 is finding the LCM of the given numbers by using the factor tree method. Okay, so there are two models are there. First model is listing their multiples. Second model is factor tree method. Now we will see the example of model 1, listing the multiples. First question is list the multiples of 2 and 3 and find the LCM. So now we are going to find the LCM by using the model number 1, which is the name of listing the multiples. Now multiples of 2. What is the first number? 2. List the multiples. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. The way here I have written 18 multiples of, in the sense till 18 multiples, which is the multiple of 2. So how many multiples ma'am here has written? 9 multiples. Okay. So next multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Till 8 multiples I have written here. Okay. So after the third one is common multiples. So what are the common multiples are here? First one, look at here. 2 is here. Any 2 is there? No. 4 is there. Here 4 anything is there? No. So next 6 is here. Here also 6. So you have to take and write in the place of common multiples. The first number is 6. Next look at here 12. Here also 12. So both are common. So the next number you have to take and write 12. Then at last 18. Here also 18. So you have to take and write the last number, which is common multiple 18. The next lowest common multiple, which is known as LCM. So which one is the lowest one? Lowest in the sense smallest number you have to take and write. So compared to 6, 12, 18, 6 is the lowest number. So you have to take and write here by 6. So this is how you have to find the LCM of by using the listing multiples method. Understood? Second model. Model number 2 is factor tree method. So let us see the question. Find the LCM of the number using the factor tree method. See the question here. 12 and 18. We know very well how to do the factor tree method because lesson 1 we did, isn't it? For finding the HCF. Now we will see how we are going to do. Here is the number 12. 12 will come in 2 table. How many times? 6 times. 2, 6 are 12. Next 6 you have to check. Again 6 will come in 2 table. How many times? 3 times. 2 3s are 6. Next, because after that you have to stop here. Why? We got the two numbers are prime, isn't it? So next we have to find the factors of 18. 2 9s are 18. The 9 will come in 3 table. How many times? 3 times. 3 3s are 9. So you have to stop your work here because in both the sides we got the prime numbers. Next we have to take and write the factorization of numbers. So prime factorization of 12 equal to 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. Next prime factorization of 18, 2 into 3 into 3. My dear children, look at the next step. It's very important. The third statement, you have to take and write common prime factors. Look at here. Here is 2, there is 2. So both are common. So you have to take and write first. Next, here is 3, here also 3. So second common prime, which is 3, which is known as common prime factors. I hope you all understood this step. Yes. Next one, unique prime factors. What is unique prime factors? Which is in the sense the factor which is not common to the both numbers. Yes, look at here. First, the remaining term which is 2 is here. The 2 is anything is here? No. So that 2 number also you have to take and write in the place of unique prime factors. Okay. I took the number. Next, what is the remaining term of the prime factorization of 18? 3 is left over. So that 3 also you have to take and write in this place, which are known as unique prime factors. So unique prime factors in the sense the number which are not common in the both numbers. Yes. Finally, at last what you have to do? Multiply the common prime factors and unique prime factors. Yes. What are the common prime factors? 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 we have written here. Next, what are the unique prime factors? Again 2 into 3. So that number also we written here. So at last we have to multiply together, which is known as LCM. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So this is how you have to find the LCM of by using the what is the method name? Factor tree method. Okay. So let us see the final thing which are very important. This point you can expect this one in one more question. Point to remember. So what is the point here they had given? The product of the HCF and LCM of the two numbers which are equal to the product of the two numbers. Yes, the HCF and the LCM you have to multiply of the given two numbers. That answer will be in the left side, which will be equal to the product of the two numbers. The question which are the given, no, if you are multiplying and looking that answer and this answer will be the same. So that is what how the question they will be asking. HCF into LCM equal to dash. By the time you have to take and write product of the two numbers. Next, lesson number 4. What is the name of the lesson? LCM, common division method. We are going to find the LCM by using the common division method. What is the first question? Find the LCM of 90 and 100 by using the common division method. We know very well how to find the HCF of using common division method, isn't it? The same method here we are going to apply for finding the LCM. So the small difference is there. What is the difference? In HCF we want to get the common factor for the two prime numbers, isn't it? But in that LCM you have to do your process till you are getting this 1 comma 1. Okay, so that is the difference in between the HCF and LCM by using the common division method. Let us see, the numbers are 90 and 100. So 90 and 100 both are even numbers which will come in two number, that is two table. Okay, so I told you to many times you have to select the number which is the lowest prime. Okay, so number 90 in two table become 45 times. Next 100 in two table become 50 times. Again this 45 and 50 will not come in two table, but 50 will come in two table. We are not getting the common factor, we are doing the LCM. So one number you can take and check. So 50 again it will come in two table. So 45 we want to do anything, it will come as it is. Next 50 in two table become 25 times. Okay, so now the two numbers are 45 and 25. So the both numbers which will come in 5 table. 45 in 5 table become 9 time. Next 25 in 5 table become 5 time. Again 9 and 5 will not come in 5 table, but 5 will come in 5 table. So I told you to whether the two numbers are coming in one table you can take and do, or else the one number only which is coming in 5 table, ma'am, by the time also you can take and do. Okay, so that is the difference. Let us see 9 and 5. So I am going to take here by 5 table. Number 5 in 5 table become how many time? 1 time. This 9 will not come. So the 9 you have to repeat it again. Next, number 9 will come in 3 table. How many times? 3 times. 3 3s are 9. Finally, this number 1 will not. So as it is, you have to take and write. At last, number 3 again will come in 3 table. How many time? 1 time. 1 3s are 3. So here we got the two numbers which are same by 1 comma 1. Till that you have to do your process. I hope you all understood. Okay, so whether two numbers are coming, you can select the table, or one number only which is coming in one table. And by the time also you have to take and do till you are getting 1 comma 1. So this is how you have to do. At last, the LCM of 90 and 100, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. The way you have to take and write. Finally, you have to multiply all those numbers. You will be getting as the answer of 900. Anna wants to buy cheese slices and buns. Buns come in the packs of 9 and cheese slices come in the packs of 4. What is the lowest number of buns and cheese slices she can buy so that she has an equal number of buns and cheese slices? So the lowest number in the sense, obviously you have to find the LCM. Okay, so now Anna needs to find the LCM of 9 and 4. Okay, here is your 9 and here is your 4. Now here I am going to use the multiples, listing the multiples method. No, that method we are going to use. Multiples of 4 equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. The way till you have to write 9 multiples. Next, multiples of 9. The same way, 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Till here I have written 6 multiples. Finally, what is the common multiple? 36 and 36. So the LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. This is the answer. So you have to make a sentence like, so Anna can buy 36 buns and 36 cheese slices. Okay, thank you children.